I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we.
So, hi guys! Today is another day. New life,
New day,
and new problems to be solved. By the way, I am Cadet Bongo.
and I am Cadet Aganan,
And I am Cadet Renza.
and we are the Gold Diggers.
And today, we have some questions to be answered.
And that is,
And the first is, what is your expectations in college? So, my expectation in college was challenging, amazing,
interesting,
and full of surprises.
second question is,
How did you overcome the challenges in college? So, I overcome my challenges in college by making my family as my inspiration and having time management.
by pursuing myself and to having faith to God.
And most especially by trusting ourselves. The third question is,
What is your advice to those graduating senior high school students before to proceed in college?
I can advise them to study hard or study well and be a responsible student and obey the rules and regulation of the school.
And don't stop when you're tired.
Stop when you are done.
And before we will end our video, we have some clip to show you between the two persons who have time management and the person who doesn't have time management.
Watch! Enjoy!
Now you see the difference of having time management and doesn't have time management. Hope you gained some lessons in this video.
We are so thankful to our instructor, especially to Captain Cabrera, for inspiring us,
For motivating us
and also to his words of
of wisdom every meeting.
We are so thankful to have our instructors, because without them, this uniform are nothing. Tanga mo naman!
We salute you, sir. So, that is our videos. Thank you guys
for watching our videos.
Don't
So-
forget to like,
Comment.
And subscribe.
I'm Cadet Mongo.
I'm Cadet Andresa. I'm Cadet Aganan. Signing off.
If you are new to this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are updated to this channel.
Thank you guys. See you for the next video. Goodbye.
Subscribe for more songs.
Pretty lights, the